Welcome to Tech Campus. My name is Zia, and in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to customize Excel. There are many items within Excel where you can change the default settings, and I will show you 6 settings that you can change quickly and easily, which will save you time in the future. So let's go through the items so you can customize. Firstly, the font and font size. Currently I've got it on Times New Roman. And the size is 12, so you can change both of these items, and I'll be showing you how to do this. You can also change the office background. Currently it is set to a kind of a grey sort of background, but you can change this to customize it to your liking. So that's another setting I'll be showing you as well. You can also change the theme of Excel. So here you've got, it's a bit difficult to see, but there's some stars here. So we can change the theme here to something else. Thirdly, you can also change the default location where files are saved. One thing you'll find is a lot of people waste time changing the location each time because they don't know how to change the default settings for saving files. So we'll be going through that as well. The next bit I wanted to show you is there's some sheets at the bottom of the workbook. Now at the moment it's set to 2, so you can increase this to 5 if you require, or you can change it to less than that. So I'll be showing you how to do that as well. And lastly, I'll also be showing you how you can customize the quick access toolbar. At the moment it's showing at the top of the ribbon, and what I'll show you is how you can change the location so it goes below the ribbon, and I'll also show you how you can add items and how you can reduce the amount of items on the quick access toolbar. So let me show you what you need to do. You need to go to the File tab, click on Options. You need to be in the General Settings. And if you want to change the font, you can do that here just under When Creating New Workbooks. So if I wanted to change this, I can go to the top, say for example I want to change it to Arial. I can change it to that, and then I can change the size as well to 14. The next thing I want to show you is how to increase or decrease the number of sheets at the bottom of each workbook. So currently there's 2, so if I wanted to change that to 5, I can change that here. The next thing is we were discussing how to change the theme up here. So currently it's set to clouds, so you've got a whole host of options here. So say for example you wanted to change this to lunchbox, so I've changed it to lunchbox there. Then the color here at the moment is kind of grey, and for some reason they call it colorful. So I'm going to change this to white. The next setting we're going to change is where the default location is. So if you click on Save, so the default location of where it's being saved is currently here. Now if I wanted to change that to something else, what I can do is I can go to open up File Explorer and say I just wanted to save it to just this folder there. So what you can do is highlight this, then Control-C to copy it, then come back to Excel. Then in here we're going to delete this, Control-V to copy it. So that has now changed where the default location is. Click OK. What this is telling us is that we need to restart Excel in order for those changes to take place. So click OK. Then I'm going to close down Excel. I'm now going to open up Excel. Click on the blank workbook. So as you can see, we've got 5 sheets now, whereas we had 2. The background has now changed to the new theme, and as you can see, whereas this ribbon was grey before, now it's turned white. And as you can also see, we've also changed the default font that we had here from Times New Roman to Arial, and the size of the font has now increased to 14. So each time I come in here, these settings are saved, so I don't have to make those changes anymore. Lastly, I just want to show you how you can customize the quick access toolbar. At the moment it's here, so if I wanted to move it down to just below the ribbon, just right click, just when your cursor is right on top of the quick access toolbar, and then what you can do is you can click on that, and then it goes from the top of the ribbon to below the ribbon. And if you wanted to add items, you would just put your cursor just here above the quick access ribbon, and just click on where it says Customize Quick Access Toolbar. So this is all the items on the ribbon. So say for example I wanted to take this one out, conditional formatting. If I want to remove this, highlight it, click remove, and then if you wanted, for example, to put on center to be added to the quick access toolbar, highlight it here, click add, and then it is now added to the quick access toolbar. So click OK. So there's lots of things that you can customize within Excel. All you have to do is go to File and the Options tab, change those settings, and then restart Excel, and those changes will take place. That's all for now. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, leave us a comment and consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming out shortly. If you want to keep learning about IT, then I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.